Welcome, my dear friends. Today we are stepping into a season where colors change, heart feel warmer, and homes begin to glow with handmade love. It's the magical bridge between fall and Christmas where golden leaves meet sparkling lights. In this video, we will explore cozy and budget-friendly craft that transforms your home from autumn charm to Christmas magic. So grab your glue gun, warm cup of tea, and let's begin our creativity journey. Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, there was a woman named Alara who loves nature more than anything. Every fall, she collected leaves, pine cones, and twigs from the forest behind her home. To her, these were not just fallen things, they were stories from the tree waiting to be reborn into something beautiful. One chilly afternoon, she sat near her window watching golden leaves dance in their wind. She thought, what if this autumn tree could stay with me till Christmas? And that when her crafting journey began. Alara began by collecting colorful dry leaves, a few pine cones, and string. She gently pressed the leaves between pages of an old book to keep their shape. Next, she brushed them with a little clear glue and sprinkled a pinch of gold glitter, just enough to catch the girl. She strung them together with twins, adding teeny pine cones in between. The garland hung across for her fireplace all through fall, but when Christmas came near, she added small red berries and teeny bells to the same garland, turning into a Christmas wonder. From golden autumn to joyful Christmas, all in one piece. Next, Lara picked a few large pine cones and placed them in small glass around the jar. She wrapped burlap and lace. Then she set small candles on top, surrounding by cinnamon sticks and dried orange slice. In fall, these candle holders filled her home with warm, spicy scent, cinnamon pines, and orange. Later, when December came, she added a touch of silver paint and little ribbon bow, making them sparkle like forest snow. For her table, Alara made a centerpiece from an old wooden tray. She filled it with pine cones, corn, small pumpkins, and fairy lights. It looked like a forest floor glowing under moonlight. Then she thought ahead. When Christmas came, she replaced the pumpkins with ornaments and added a few spring of evergreen branches, the same base to beautiful season. Alara loved recycling, so she found old glass jar and painted little snowflakes and leaf pattern on them. She tied jute strips around their neck and added beads for a rustic charm. In autumn, she used them as lantern for her porch, glowing softly with tea lights inside. By Christmas, she painted over the leaves with white paint, creating frosty winter jars. One set of jars, two stories of light. As the days passed, Lara realized something beautiful. Crafting was not just about making things, it was about slowing down, feeling graduate, and bringing nature inside the home. Every icon she painted reminded her of peace walks. Every recycled jar she turned into decor made for proud of creativity, beauty from simple everyday things. And when her friends visited, they felt The warmth, not just from the light but from the love in every handmade piece. I hope you like the video. If you like, so please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more amazing updates, videos, DIY projects, tutorials. God bless you. Please subscribe.